This fried porcupine fish is a true coastal delicacy, spiny, bold, and transformed by hot oil into something beautifully crisp. As the fish hits the pan, the skin crackles and the fins flare, creating that signature texture you only get from this rare species. Once cooked, the meat inside stays tender and naturally sweet, contrasting perfectly with the crunchy exterior. It's the kind of dish that feels both wild and comforting, a reminder of how simple ingredients become unforgettable when cooked outdoors. Served on a big tray with rice, sausawan, or just eaten straight from the plate, this feast becomes an experience, hands-on, primal, and deeply satisfying. No shortcuts, no fancy prep, just honest frying and the joy of turning a unique catch into something special. Whether you're by the river, in the mountains, or at a simple wooden table, fried porcupine fish brings that same feeling, celebration, warmth, and a moment you want to stretch out as long as possible. This is coastal cooking at its finest, and every bite reminds you why rare seafood hits different.
Betul.